Hey there, photo enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the intriguing and utterly perplexing world of sharpness in photography. You know, because clearly we all need our pictures to be sharper than the edges of a brand new pair of scissors, don't we? I mean, who wants a soft, dreamy image, right? Have you ever wondered how sharp a photo really needs to be? Well, wonder no more, because as it turns out, camera manufacturers have been on a mission. Yes, they have, to make our photos so sharp that we can practically feel the paper cuts just by looking at them. With every new release. It's all about the megapixels, isn't it? The resolution, hey, the crispness. Because who doesn't want to count the individual strands of hair on a squirrel from 100 yards away? And don't forget the jaw-dropping price tag. Oh yes, the latest and greatest in camera technology will only set you back the cost of a small car. But hey, who needs a car when you can capture the world in mind-boggling, eye-watering, soul-piercing sharpness? Am I right? Now let's take a moment, shall we, just to appreciate some of the most iconic photographs in history. You know the ones I'm talking about, the ones taken with cameras that had less megapixels than your grandma's flip phone. Yep, the good old days when sharpness was just a twinkle in a lens. Yet somehow these images have managed to captivate, have managed to inspire generations, even without piercing our retinas with their sharpness. So what gives? Could it be that a photo is more than the sum of its pixels? That the magic lies in the lighting, it lies in the composition, the emotion even, or even a historically significant moment that is frozen in time? Must be the sharpness, gotta be, right? Maybe the blurrier the photo, the more subliminal the message it sends, who knows? And when it comes to people, can a photo be too sharp? I mean, who needs pores or imperfections in the picture, right? Thanks to ultra sharp images, we now get to see every single wrinkle, every blemish, every misplaced eyebrow hair, excruciatingly detailed. No wonder fashion magazines pay big bucks to soften, blur and basically Photoshop the living daylights out of the pictures on their front covers. Because heaven forbid that we actually see people as they are. But wait a doggone minute, because there is more. Have you ever seen a photo that is so sharp, so pristine, but utterly devoid of soul? It's like you can hear the camera shouting, "Look at me, I'm so sharp, I could cut a diamond." And yet, the moment you move beyond the sharpness, oh, the horror. You realise there's nothing there. Nothing to see here, folks. It's like visiting a gallery of framed white noise. So here's a thought, maybe, just maybe, it's not about the sharpness. Maybe it's more than that. Maybe it's about having a camera that you know, like the back of your hand, a trusty companion that knows your quirks and still manages to surprise you with its performance. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Because at the end of the day, it's not about how sharp your photo is, surely. It's about how you use the tools at your disposal to tell a story, to capture a moment, to freeze time itself. It's all about storytelling. So let's not allow the pursuit of sharpness to dull our appreciation of photography. Let's celebrate the images that move us, the ones that make us laugh, tell 1,000 stories. Hey, why don't you go and grab your camera and embrace the imperfections on it right now? Go and create some magic. And please, for the love of all that is holy, remember that sharpness isn't everything. Hey, thanks for tuning in. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tantalizing tales from behind the lens. As I said before, I don't do this for likes, but if you did like this, then like it. You know where the button is. It looks something like that. It's down there next to the subscribe button. You might as well hit that when you're down there, because you don't want to miss anything, especially anything as good as this next video here. Thanks for watching.